Hello there! Today I'll be showing you the new update on Logii browser, bookmark features. Let's get started. We're now here on our profile section on Logii browser. First, open your profile. Click here. Now here on the top section, you will see I have a lot of bookmarks added. You can click on it to open any bookmarks you want that you have here. So now let me show you how to add a new bookmark. On the search bar, enter in the URL here. Now for example, this is the site that I want to bookmark. I'll just click the star icon here. Add in the title that I want. And click on Save. And easily, as you can see here, it is added on my bookmarks. Now if you want to delete a bookmark, just click on it. Again, tap on the star icon. And from here, just click on Delete. And it will be deleted instantly. You can click on this icon to see all the bookmarks that you have. You can select here to open it. You can also hide your bookmark. Just click here, tap on Bookmarks, and select Show or Hide Bookmark Bar. And it will then hide your bookmarks if you don't want it showing. And if you go back and open your profile again, you can see that it is hidden here. If you want to show it again, just repeat the same process. If you close it, showing the bookmarks, if you open the profile, it will then show it again. And vice versa if you hide it. So this is the new feature added on Logii browser, your bookmarks. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.